Hello, my name is Jalil and I'm a systems engineer here at Live Action. Today I'll be walking you through some of the features around monitoring and configuring quality of service using LiveNX. So let's take a look. On my screen, we're looking at the LiveNX topology and we're looking at the QoS tab. Within the QoS tab, we have an audit report that many of our customers used when they first deploy the solution. And this will basically give you a summary of how your quality of service is set up on the network, the number of devices that have quality of service, any performance issues within those policies. And then what we can do, we can use this audit to basically troubleshoot those problems. If I want to troubleshoot a problem within one of the routers, I can right click on the router and then I can go and say manage quality of service. And LiveNX will basically load the configurations and then read all the QoS policies on this device. And let's see, I have policing, queuing, set DSCP, and the shaping policy on this device. Let's say when it is some one of the policies, I can click and open up and all the classes within the policy. And if I want to click on the class and find out more, I could show all the ACLs or all the match statement using ACLs. I can add or remove new statements. So if I want to add new statement using nbar, for example, or maybe I want to use my a DSCP to match on, and they can do that all within this. And then I can do other things like marking, queuing, policing, all the advanced quality of service configs within this GUI. And then the unique thing here, once you're done editing a policy, I could grab that policy and then push it to multiple devices at the same time. So really making quality of service consistent is really simple with LiveNX. Also, as far as troubleshooting quality of service problems, we have a flow tab that basically will monitor all the traffic. And then we have a filter called DSCP. This filter will basically look at all the DSCP markings across the network, and you can really easily, just by looking at the topology view, see how many best effort flows you have, EF, AF31. So basically this is great to help you validate your quality of service. So let's say you want to verify quality of service within your voice environment. I can really easily implement a voice filter, and this basically would show all the quality of service information for that voice filter. And I can see blue, I have red. Blue will be best effort, red will be EF, and they also have a table view that basically will show all the different conversations. So you can see that my VoIP application is running best effort. I have some SIP traffic running best effort. So really great information to help you validate quality of service just by looking at the topology view. And then also, the unique thing about LiveNX, it could troubleshoot quality of service problems. So let's say a ticket came in Friday at 11 a.m. I can go back in time and search for that port number or IP that was having a problem. And if I hit refresh now, LiveNX is just going to filter down to that specific issue, and you can see we're looking at red and blue. Red will be EF, and then blue will be best effort. So you can see that we're marking traffic correctly from the source, going through the MPLS link, going to the data center, coming back EF. But when we get to the MPLS link, we drop to best effort. So you could really easily verify the DSCP markings. And then if I go to the table view, I could basically see all that performance issue within the voice call. I can see VoIP application, I see packet loss, and if I double click, this will basically show me a GUI that will help me understand what's going on with this voice or VoIP call. And you can see there's a shaping policy highlighted in amber. That means we're dropping traffic. I see also packet loss on the first device and the last device. And then what I could do, I could take this and show it in my topology, and now you can see that my VoIP application is red across the path. And also, I see that there is an amber interface within the path. So if I double click and switch to quality of service, I'll be able to monitor all the different queues and classes within this policy. And then you can see that my voice video queues are amber. That means we're dropping traffic. And what I can do, I can right click and show how much drops I have within the queue. And then the powerful thing here, I can actually right click and adjust quality of service directly from here. So this is the class name, the queue setting, the reserve bandwidth, a pie chart showing all the bandwidth information. I see that my voice is running at 18%. If I want to fix that, maybe give it a higher bandwidth, I can change it to 30%. It is a CLI that LiveNX created in the background. And if that looks good, we can save it directly to the router. But this is a demo environment. Just wanted to show you how you can use a topology view to basically find issues and then fix those issues on the fly. Also, the reports are great for finding or validating quality of service. We have a report called the DSCP report that basically will look at all the DSCP markings on the network. And I see I have AF21 is one of the top DSCP values here. I see the next one is best effort. So let's say I want to find out who's running best effort on the network. I can right click and drill down and do an application report. And this basically will show us all the applications running best effort, and you can see that my Citrix, my VoIP is running best effort. So really quick way to help you monitor, validate quality of service using LiveNX. Thanks for watching.